Hey there folks, this is Nick from Colortex and this is how to use Solvy in order to make your fluffy garments or towels look nice when you apply embroidery on them. So here's a comparison between a towel ran with Solvy and without Solvy. So just like any other order, you grab your hoops. For this purpose, we're gonna use some tearaway backing, put it on here. Just test blankets, doesn't really matter on placement and lineup. Just put it in a nice corner right here. Same as always, get it in, put the front, the back, close it in, and we're ready to put it in the machine in order to do the test without Solvy. Now for the other side on the blanket, we're gonna actually show you how Solvy is used on these products and fluffy products for the best outcome embroidery. So I'm not gonna show you how to hoop everything properly because we actually have other videos on the channel for that. So you feel free to watch those if you're looking for more detailed videos on hooping. But when it does come to Solvy, you put your tearaway backing in our homemade jig here. You've got this here, and then what I like to do is, this is actually pre-cut Solvy. So you put your piece right in there. Then in order to keep that nice tension in there, you actually hoop it all at the same time in order to have it in the hoop instead of adding it afterwards, and then it kind of puckers and stuff. So we've got it all hooped here, nice and ready to go. Now we'll bring these two pieces to the machine and we'll be able to do a cross comparison between the two and show you the difference in quality with having one versus the other. So now we're at a single head. We're gonna actually load the file in the machine and do some comparison testing of the two different logos. Now we're at the table, we're gonna cross compare the two pieces. Honestly, depending on the logos, depending on the fabrics, the outcome is always better to use them than not use them, but sometimes it makes a substantially larger difference. So just to see on this one here, you kind of see the imperfections of that fluffier threads coming through. And so the purpose of Solvy is exactly to avoid that, especially when it's fluffier than this towel here. So we've got it here. Then we got to do, once it's all done, we could take it out of the hoop, but for the purpose of showing you how it works, we'll just rip it out of here without taking it out of the hoop. So this is gone. And then we kind of peel the middle parts. It is also water soluble, which means that once you steam it and you activate water, it's actually gonna disappear. But when they're big pieces like this, they're super nice to just peel with your finger or peel with some scissors. But when you look at this here, you'll see that there's not a big, huge difference on this one here, but you make for a better finished product. Again, just professionally, it's better to use it than to not use it. It makes for a better product, higher quality product. And then when it's something that's super fluffy, you use it and the outcome is substantially better. So Again, if you want to geek on this stuff, I love talking about embroidery. Feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.